Hey guys, welcome back to another video of SJ Vlogs. So in this video we are going to be unboxing a new phone from Redmi. So stay tuned till the end of the video. If you are new to this channel, press the subscribe button and the bell icon below. So let's start unboxing. So this is the box that we get from the package, and this is the Redmi Note 9 Pro. It is a 4GB and 64GB variant, and I have bought this phone for 14,000 rupees from Amazon. So in this phone we have Snapdragon 720G processor, 48 megapixel rear camera, 16 megapixel front camera, 5020 mAh battery with a fast charger, Corning Gorilla Glass 5, and this is a made in India product. So let's open the box. So in the box we have manual, a back cover, silicone back cover. Let's keep the manuals aside. So we have the phone. So this is a Glacier white model. So we have the C-type power cord, the power adapter. So let's turn on the phone. So let's complete the setup. So we have completed all the setup in this phone. So let's check the settings. It is a Redmi Note 9 Pro. The Android version is 10. MIUI 11.08 stable version, and the storage is 64GB, and of course the 4GB RAM. 4GB RAM. CPU is octa-core, 2.3 GHz. So we have the Snapdragon 720G processor in this phone. That is quite powerful to play games, as well as we can do editing and stuff. So that's it guys. For more detailed reviews I will be making another video.